What if you had an AI agent scanning every single stock in the Nasdaq and instantly finding the ones that you can actually buy? That's exactly what I built using Python and Claude Code. I use no paid tools, no manual screening, just a smart system that runs in seconds. And the edge is built off professionals using Anchored VWAP. So in this video, I'll show you how the agent works, how I built it, and how you can run it yourself. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now, before we touch the code, you need to understand what this AI agent is actually doing, because it isn't just another price filter. VWAP stands for Volume Weighted Average Price, and most traders use this for intraday trading, but that resets daily. So we're going to use Anchored VWAP, which is different. The agent anchors it to January 1st and tracks the true average price weighted by volume all year. Now you may be asking yourself, why does this matter? Well, it's because volume is equal to conviction. If a stock is trading above its year-to-date anchored VWAP, it means that the average buyer this year is in profit. That is real strength and signals that it's not just a random move. So let's walk through the screener that Claude Code helped me build here, and I'll show you every single part. So first of all, we have the overall libraries that we have to import. They're going to be Streamlit for the interactive UI, Y-Finance, which is going to be our free provider of data, and then we'll have Pandas, which will allow us to interact with the data, and then Matplotlib, which will allow us to plot every single part of the data. And this is simply date time to have the most accurate time here. Now, I will leave links in the description below to tutorials on these that we will be importing, so you can get a better understanding of what it means and what they are as well. And simply moving on, we have, first of all, the universe of triple Q holdings. So on this overall Python list that we named triple Q tickers, we have the top 50 stocks in the triple Qs, which are companies like Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Meta, and Tesla. And we were scanning these because they are the most liquid and most institutional traded names here on the market. And as we know, that doesn't matter because the volume filter will actually mean something here. Now, we're also pulling the data with Y-Finance. So for every single ticker that we download, right, after calculating the VWAP data here from the beginning of January 1st of the current year, we will simply get the history and allow us to perform that full calculation. Now, something that I really liked here about Claude is that it gave us this function exactly. So it's going to be plot stock with anchored VWAP, which is going to generate a simple matplotlib figure showing the price versus the year-to-date anchored VWAP, so we can see the true performance and reasoning as to why the candidates that are being found are going to be possibly the best possible entries here. If you scroll down a little bit further, we're going to have our UI header, and this is simply going to be code for Streamlit. We have our title, right, and our markdown. Simply, we are going to include a button which is going to be running analysis. Once we do that, it's going to start the screener and put every single candidate attached or appended towards this overall array or list that we have here on Python. And the line is not too long. Simply, it's around 128. And like I said, this code will be accessible through our Patreon alongside a full deep tutorial slides that will show you every single reasoning and explanation of the code. Now, in order to run this, we simply go towards our terminal. Here on your IDE, you can use Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, or Anti-Gravity, whatever you're more comfortable with, and you're going to be running the following command. You can be running streamlit run stock screener.py. So be running here the file name. That's what we named it here on our local device. And then once that occurs, you will simply run this overall code here. And then you should get a local host here kind of website, kind of like this. So you're going to be getting the triple Q anchored VWAP chart screener. And here on the left-hand side on this overall tab, you can choose the minimum percentage that the stocks are above the VWAP. Obviously, I think the best results are going to be the criteria around 1.3 to no more than 2. So around this criteria, you don't want to go too high, or so you're going to get less results. You want to get names that are, a little bit bigger than that. There we're going to be having our minimum volume. Do you want the stock to be highly liquid, very low liquid? You can do 500,000 shares, but I recommend to have this above 1 million in volume in order to have a better analysis. So now simply we'll be running the analysis as we'll be running the code. You can see here scanning every single overall ticker that we added towards our list, and we'll let that run for a little bit. And simply after doing the scan, we found 20 candidates here. And I like this UI because it allows us to see not only the price, the VWAP, but also calculate the distance. And it gives us the overall data in a very nice visual format. So the first candidate that we found was Intel. Current price around $111. We know this name has been on an intensive run, and ideally the buy was exactly here when the price action went above the overall anchored VWAP here. You can see that. Second candidate is going to be AMD, which has been seeing a 72% return. We have then from there Marvell, which is up 59%. From there we have Micron, and then we have Texas Instruments. So we see that every single one of these pretty much results or candidates are well above, and these are going to be ideally the top performers of the overall NASDAQ or even the market for the rest of the year. So you can ideally, especially Google, you can ideally enter positions here and, just hold and let the overall trend be your friend, right? We have AMET, Google, normal shares, Amazon as well, Cisco, CSX, PanW, Fortinet. So every single one of these is simply, giving us the best possible results. NVIDIA too. NVIDIA pulled back. You can see that pulled back a little bit, and buyers were found, right? So generally, like I said, when we are above the overall anchored VWAP of the overall year to date, and we see any type of pullback, buyers come in aggressively because they are on average winning, right? They're gaining money, so they want to buy cheaper at these discounts. So any type of pullback, it's getting bought, right? Same thing here, right? So there was a pullback on Apple recently, and it got bought immediately like that, right? So we're seeing a pattern here, and this is going to be policy one of the best possible strategies. You can run this through another type of CNN, convoluted neural network, and identify these patterns on a overall trading view chart. If you guys would like that in another video, let this video reach simply 2,000 likes, and that will make a video on convoluted neural networks to identify this image recognition on TradingView for better analysis. Overall, this AI agent overscanned the entire NASDAQ and found stocks trading well above their year-to-date anchored VWAP with strong volume. And the crazy part is this was built in a fraction of time using Claude Code. No need for a quant team anymore. You simply need a solid idea and the right code. If you want the full code, it's linked below for our Patreon members. And if this helped you, simply subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. And remember, don't let the markets whip you guys out.